Uh, my name is Mohammed Chaudhry. As of now, I'm a Agile coach at a transport. I'm taking up the Value Stream Consultant course because it's going to broaden my horizon and understanding of different frameworks that I can leverage at different domains and industries. At day one yesterday, we went through the basics and um, delved deeper into some of the concepts. What we went through was the different types of value streams. So I found out there are three types of value streams in Disciplined Agile, and then we went through the difference between the budgeting and funding. That was also very important because although as I've been a project manager, we normally covered the already pre-planned templates and sessions on how to do the budgeting. But here I found out good details on the lean budgeting aspect as well. So we covered the funding and budgeting aspect yesterday as well on day one. And then we also went through the MBIs. So that was important for me because I was pretty well familiar with what MVP is, and but then I found the difference between MBI, which is basically not the new thing that we learn, but it's addition to whatever is already um, delivered to customers, and we just add on to make it better or enhance something. So that's the difference. And then we also covered how to create the MBIs, what are different roles that are important, and what are different layout on how the whole process works from beginning or initiation to the delivery to the customer. So just to name a few, these were the things that we covered yesterday and in detail. So I'm very excited and looking forward to day two because there I wanna also learn or get to the access to the toolkit. I believe that that's where if I am in an engagement, then I can follow that template and say, okay, in order to create an MBI, these are the things that we need to fill out. So I'm looking forward to the day two